Hello, trading is closed on February 2nd, 2016. Yesterday I said there were some lower targets from the MEJT system in the 1920s. I thought they would print, but I needed an immediate confirmation of yesterday's drop, and we got all those things. During the day, while the market was dropping, MEJT said this drop would not stick and that prices would return to this line on or after this time, which it hit on the nose. And there are no new targets to help us plan tomorrow's trade. Well, I've been looking for a pretty big tank, but today's action has a number of positive elements in it. In fact, it has quite a few positive elements, and unless we promptly take out today's low, ideally by gapping under it, I think we're going to be up tomorrow. First of all, if this were the start of a third wave down, I want the move to be impulsive. I wouldn't want it to be overlapping like this. I also wouldn't want us to drop all day long and be unable to close under the middle of the day low. We never did quite hit this gold line I thought would print. Maybe close enough is good enough, but it's possible what I labeled B is actually here. If we were in a third move down, I wouldn't expect to see any Fibonacci relationship with the prior pattern. The fact that there's a clear Fibonacci relationship when you connect this low and this low and this high and this high, you have a perfect grid, suggests at least that it's part of the same pattern, which isn't over. And if it's over, we could have wave C up, which could take us to this line, which I've always wanted to see print. It'd still be nice to see that one print. It just looks like a bridge too far to me. Well, this is a very interesting 65-minute chart. We dropped all day long, and we couldn't close under any of these prior lows. Unless that's invalidated by taking out this low, it's actually a sign of strength when the prior lows hold. We also have a straight line move down with a slant down. That tends to be an unsustainable pattern. It can break lower, but the vast majority of the time it breaks up. Here's the opposite. It had a straight line move up, slanted up, tends to break down. Here you go up, slant up, broke down. If you're going to keep on dropping, you want this. You want to drop and slant up, and then you drop down like this. When you drop down like this and slant down, as we've done now, more often than not, you're going to break up, especially when you can't close under any of those prior lows. I couldn't explain this rally yesterday. I think it's basically a 2B top. If you take this rally here, this is the real high, this is a 2B top. All we've had is the standard 61.8% retracement of the up move until that breaks. Let's not forget on the half-day chart, we have an early bar 13 for a sequential buy signal. The last 3 bars of the combo buy signal don't have to obey all the rules. One of the rules is each low has to be lower than the prior one. But if that's 11 and that's 12 and 13, and we start up, this could be interpreted as a buy signal on the combo on the half-day chart. So the fact that we have this really overlapping move, which looks like it's part of the prior consolidation, strongly suggests to me that we are not yet ready for the tank down. I think unless we promptly take out this low, it's possible because futures are down. Unless we promptly take out this low, I look for higher prices tomorrow. It's just not the kind of move I would expect if we were going to drop right now. But I've been wrong before, so we'll see what tomorrow's open looks like, and that's today's call.